back to IPCS automation. So in this video, we are going to see how to create a professionally looking hand sanitizer dispenser. So a liquid type hand sanitizer dispenser. And this video is after a bit of a time after this COVID season. And we also have the same product in our Amazon listing. You can even directly buy from us. You can contact me in the link in the description. And that's it. So without further ado, we will just go to the making and what are the parts included and how it operates and what type of facilities and additional features it has when comparing to other systems. Let's go there. Hello everyone, welcome back. So as I said earlier, so today we are going to see the features of IPCS Automation's automatic sanitizer dispenser. This is just the prototype model, and we also have an Amazon listing of the same with the actual proto board. So now I'm going to just show you the prototype model, what is inside and how simple it is and how easy to service and everything. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so now let's open it up. Okay, so it has two parts, so the container part and the controller part. So if you can see inside, you will have 24 volt RO solenoid. So this is actually used for switching on the releasing the liquid from the top container. And on the inside you can see you have a controller board with FETs and other components. So we have a ultrasonic sensor, not an ultrasonic, an IR proximity sensor, so detect the hand movement. And we also have another model with the PLL based sensor, so it can be used outdoors also. This can be used only in indoors. We have another model with PLL sensor module, so which can be used in direct sunlight also. We also have another module with ultrasonic sensor that can be used both indoors and outdoors. So this proto board was actually made with an Arduino Nano, and this particular board has many different features here. So we are using a FET here, we are using a MOSFET here for the driver. So there is no switching components or no moving components inside, so you will not hear a click when you operate the system. We also have two indicator lamps, one for power and one for dispense, and we also have a timing adjust potentiometer right here. So by turning this potentiometer left or right, we will be able to adjust the amount of liquid that is coming out of the actual sanitizer dispenser. So I'll also show you the code snippet in a moment. And this FET is rated for around 5 amperes of DC 12 volt current, and the power supply used here is actually a 24 volt. It's a 24 volt power supply, a 24 volt 1 ampere power supply here. And this is because the reason we are using a 24 volt power supply is because the valve is a 24 volt operated valve. So it is necessary we have to use a 24 volt power supply. So the controller uses only 5 volt. We have a regulator, 5 volt regulator for the same. We also have another model with both valve and pump setup for spray type, that is mist type spraying, and we also have this method for a flow type dispensing. Okay, so we this has been completely developed in-house at IPCS Automation, and it is easily serviceable. As you see, there are no complex parts inside. The actual board will look much more better. I will put up a video again once I get the actual proto board that I have ordered with the vendor. Once it is with me, I will also show you another version of this video. And at the bottom you can see we have the IR proximity sensors selection area. And the next thing we will see how it is going to work in the next part, right? Okay, now I'll just assemble it quickly. Okay, I'll just put it up. So I'm just going to assemble it here. I'm just going to put a few screws just for this purpose. So I'll just put 1 and 2 for now. So okay, here one, and we have another one here. This is enough for now. Now let's check it out. We will just fill it up with a few amount of sanitizer. I think a little bit will be enough. So I'm using Therapter sanitizer here. So just pour a little bit inside. And as I said, we are going to use a 24 volt power supply. Let me just get it hooked up. So I'll just take it up here. and I'll just wire it here. So we have a DC jack at the side, so there is no need of any internal connections here, so this DC jack will do fine. I'll just plug it in, and I'll just put something for height, just for balancing it, just put upon the lid anyways. Right, now let's switch it on and see how it is going to operate. Yeah, so now the power is on initially, so nothing's happening. So if I bring my hand nearby, so sanitizer has got dispensed. So again, so it is getting dispensed. So it is a completely contactless sanitizer dispenser system that we have developed in-house. Thank you for watching. We'll be with you with more videos in the coming days. Thank you. You can order the same via this link at Amazon. I'll share you the link in the description of the video. Thank you.